Did you know that most of us are recycling wrong? That's right. Every day, millions of people throw away items that could be reused, repurposed, or recycled in genius ways, and it's costing us and the planet more than you think. But don't worry, because today, I'm going to share mind-blowing recycling hacks that will not only help you save money but also make you feel like an eco-warrior. These tips will revolutionize the way you see waste, and trust me, by the end of this video, you'll never look at trash the same way again. Let's dive in. The problem with traditional recycling. Here's the hard truth. Recycling is broken in many parts of the world. We toss items into the bin without realizing that nearly 25% of it ends up in landfills because it's either contaminated or improperly sorted. Plastic, paper, glass, it's a mess. But the good news? You have more control than you think. With a few simple changes and creative hacks, you can maximize your recycling efforts and even turn waste into something incredible. Ready to become a recycling pro? Let's get started. Hack 1. The 3-second rinse rule. First things first, let's tackle one of the biggest recycling mistakes: dirty containers. Food residue, grease, and liquids ruin recycling batches. The solution? The 3-second rinse rule. Before tossing any plastic, glass, or metal container, give it a quick rinse. No need for a full-on wash, just a splash of water to remove leftovers. This small step makes a huge difference in ensuring recyclables don't end up in the trash. Hack 2. The no waste glass revolution. Glass jars, don't toss them. These are like little treasure chests waiting to be repurposed. Use them as storage for spices, DIY candle holders, or even plant pots for herbs. And here's a bonus: broken glass doesn't have to go to waste either. Wrap the pieces in newspaper, label them clearly, and look for local facilities that recycle construction waste. You're not just recycling, you're reinventing. Hack 3. The paper towel swap. Here's a hack that'll blow your mind. Did you know paper towels can't be recycled? Shocking, right? But you can replace them with reusable cloth wipes or old t-shirts cut into rags. They're washable, durable, and eco-friendly. Plus, you're reducing waste at the source. No recycling bin required. Hack 4. Transform plastic bags into useful items. Plastic bags are a recycling nightmare, but they don't have to be. Instead of throwing them out, try turning them into something useful. For example, weave them into reusable tote bags or make waterproof covers for small items. Another idea? Many grocery stores have drop-off points specifically for recycling plastic bags. Use them. Hack 5. Upcycle your clothes like a pro. Got old clothes? Don't let them pile up. Instead of throwing them away, try upcycling. Turn worn-out jeans into trendy tote bags or transform old t-shirts into reusable shopping bags or headbands. And for items too far gone to repurpose, look for textile recycling programs near you. Fast fashion doesn't stand a chance when you're armed with these hacks. Hack 6. Compost like a recycling ninja. Think food scraps or trash? Think again. Composting is one of the most underrated recycling hacks out there. Fruit peels, coffee grounds, eggshells, all of these can go straight into a compost bin to create nutrient-rich soil for your plants. Don't have a backyard? No problem. Indoor composting kits are affordable and easy to maintain, making it possible for everyone to recycle food waste like a pro. Hack 7. Give electronics a second life. Let's talk e-waste. Old phones, cables, and gadgets often end up in landfills, but they don't have to. Many manufacturers and tech stores offer trade-in programs or e-waste recycling. Better yet, get creative. Use old cables for DIY projects or donate functioning electronics to someone who needs them. It's recycling, but with purpose. Hack 8. The DIY recycling station. Want to take your recycling game to the next level? Create your own recycling station at home. Use clearly labeled bins for paper, plastic, metal, and glass. Add a section for items like batteries, electronics, and soft plastics that require special handling. Not only does this keep everything organized, but it also makes recycling feel effortless. Hack 9. The magic of eco bricks. Here's a hack you might not have heard of: eco bricks. These are plastic bottles stuffed with non-recyclable plastic waste. Once packed tightly, they can be used for construction, furniture, and more. It's a fun and easy way to turn plastic waste into something practical and long-lasting. Hack 10. Get creative with cardboard. Cardboard isn't just recyclable, it's versatile. Use it for DIY storage boxes, kid-friendly art projects, or even as compost material. If you're feeling extra creative, cardboard can even be turned into furniture. Yes, you heard that right, lightweight, eco-friendly furniture made from recycled cardboard is a thing. Hack 11, know your local recycling rules. Here's a game-changing tip. Learn the recycling rules in your area. Every city has different guidelines, and knowing what can and can't be recycled locally will save you a ton of effort. Check your local government or recycling facility's website for the latest info. Recycling smarter, not harder, is the name of the game. Hack 12, recycle and earn rewards. Did you know you can actually get paid to recycle? Some cities and companies offer rewards or cash for items like aluminum cans, bottles, and even old appliances. Look for local buyback centers or programs like TerraCycle, which rewards you for sending in hard to recycle items. Recycling just got a whole lot more rewarding, literally. Hack 13, teach others and spread the word. Last but not least, share these hacks. Educate your family, friends, and neighbors about how they can improve their recycling habits. When we work together, the impact is massive. Start small, but think big, because the ripple effect of your efforts could inspire an entire community to take action. So, are you ready to revolutionize your recycling game? I challenge you to pick at least 3 of these hacks and put them into practice this week. Let me know in the comments which ones you're trying, or if you've got your own genius ideas to share. Together, we can make a huge difference for our planet and ourselves. And hey, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to see it. Let's turn recycling into a movement. Remember, every small action counts. Whether it's rinsing a jar, creating an eco brick, or repurposing an old t-shirt, you're doing more than recycling, you're changing the world, one hack at a time. Stay tuned for more eco-friendly tips, and I'll see you in the next video.